I received a box in the mail from FedEx today, and it has this beautiful little logo on it. As you can see, Smw3d. I've been waiting on this for a couple weeks now, and I'm super excited that this has come. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, show you guys what's in it. Alright, first off, we have bubble wrap. Everybody loves bubble wrap. The kids are going to love this. Alright, what else do we have in here? Some more bubble wrap. Hopefully we'll start getting into some good stuff soon. Ooh, what's this? First set of plates I see. Some more bubble wrap. So I couldn't do it by just holding the camera with one hand, so I had to pull it out. As you can see, there are some cardboard reinforced corners. Everything is shrink wrapped really well inside of here. Tons and tons of bubble wrap. Gotta love that. Alright, I'm going to pause the video again so I can pull this the rest of the way out of the upon removing it from the box. This is what was inside, along with these set of plates here that were free floating. I'm going to go ahead and cut the shrink wrap off of this very carefully. Go ahead and cut along the cardboard so we don't damage anything on the inside. And as you can see, there's so much stuff inside this box. Looks like here we have our electronics kit, which includes our power cables, our wire sheathing, looks like some spacers, and a clamp for the spindle, but I chose to go the more beefy route. Alright, we got a NEMA 23 stepper motor. Ooh. Here's my spindle mount that I was speaking of earlier, along with some bits that I ordered, and a touch probe. Looks like everything is numbered by step. This is step 3. Not quite sure what this is in this package. We'll find out once we go to unwrap everything the rest of the way. Got another servo, not a servo, I mean stepper motor drive. We have our 400 watt quiet cut spindle. That's not as big as I thought it was going to be, but hopefully it's as quiet as they say. We got another NEMA 23 stepper motor. And finally, the very last NEMA stepper motor. Not quite sure what this is. I guess we'll also find out once we go to unwrap everything. Finally, it looks like we have our Z-axis to X-axis mounting plates. Got our cable track housing system. We have parts for step 1. Which, if you can tell, there's a ton of little pieces here. Parts for step 6. This looks like the GT2 timing belt and pulleys. We have parts for step 4. I'll have to get into the instructions, find out where all this stuff actually goes. Alright, this looks like we have our helical connectors to go from our stepper motors, some of our standoffs. Looks like our V-wheel bearings, a ton of spacers, eccentric spacers. Looks like some more bearings. This is going to be a whole lot of building, it looks like. One of these boxes here we have a power supply, I believe. One of those will control the control circuitry, and the other one is for the spindle. We have all of our aluminum extrusions nicely bubble wrapped all by themselves, tied up nice and tight. Looks like I'm going to have to tear into some of these to figure out what we got here. After looking at everything, I believe that this right here is my Tiny G controller. This will drive everything. Hopefully, once I get everything out of the bag, we'll find out if we got everything. I hope we do. If you notice, they fit quite a bit of stuff in a little bitty box. Thank you guys for watching.